Have you ever wondered why you think the way you do? This African proverb might hold the key. The young bird does not crow until it hears the old ones. Your beliefs are often shaped by your surroundings. Family, friends, and society mold your thoughts. But not all beliefs serve your best interest. Recognize which ideas uplift and which hold you back. Choose to hold on to empowering beliefs. Let go of limiting ones that restrain growth. Self-awareness is your tool for transformation. Reflect on your beliefs. Question their origins. Can you accept them or should you change them? Start shedding beliefs that no longer serve you. Embrace positive influences for a fulfilled life. Did this resonate with you? Hit like and share your thoughts in the comments.